Hello students, welcome to the MySQL series. Here we are going to discuss about the single row functions in MySQL. Functions is classified into single row functions and multiple row functions, or another name for that is aggregate functions. Single row functions can be subcategorized into numeric functions, string functions and date and time functions. Let's see how the single row functions and aggregate functions categorize. Single row functions operates on single value and it returns a single value. It can accept one or more argument. If we apply that on table, it returns a value for every row of the table. Aggregate functions operates on a set of values and it returns a single value. Normally, these aggregate functions use along with group by clause. Examples are sum, EVG, min, max, etc. Now, let's see the numeric single row functions. Numeric functions performs on numeric values and it returns numeric value. First one, power x, y, or you can use POW. This power returns in this way, x raised to y format, x raised to y. So, let's see examples. POW 2, 4. 2, 4 means 2 need to be multiplied 4 times. 2 into 2 it is 4, into 4 into 2 it is 8 and 8 into 2 it is 16. So, the answer is 16. Then power of 2 raised to minus 2. 2 raised to minus 2 means 1 by 2 raised to 2. 1 by 2 raised to 2 means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is 0.25. Then power of minus 2 raised to 3. Minus 2 into minus 2 it is plus 4. In plus 4 into minus 2 it is minus 8. So, the answer is this. When we apply this power function on table, it returns each value for each row. You can apply the single row functions on table also. Let's see another single row function, that is round function. This is for rounding the purpose. When we write the marks, if it is 23.5, you will consider that as 24. When we write 23.25, it is considered as 23 itself. That means if it is 5 or above, 1 will be added up to the set position. So, you can use this round using 2 arguments or with single argument. If we are not supplying the second argument, it will consider it as 0. So, if it is not specified or 0, it rounds to the nearest integer position. Or if it is positive value, it looks to the right of the decimal points. If it is a negative value, it rounds to the left of the decimal point. Let's see some examples. Round off 76342.563. Second argument is missing, so it is 0. That means I am rounding to the nearest integer. So, when we do this rounding, 5, then this is the digit coming to the right of the set position. So, 5 is above 5. So, above or equal to 5. So, 1 need to be added up to this value to the set position, that is 2. 2 plus 1 it is 3. So, the answer is 76343. Then next example 1.43, 0. I do not want any decimal points. So, the digit coming to that is 4. So, it is answer is 1 itself. Then this big number, 1. This number, 1. I just want 1 decimal place. That means up to this only. Here it is 6. So, 1 need to be added up to this 5. So, the answer is 76342.6. Now, 0.2. 0.2 means I want 2 decimal places. So, it is 5, 6. This is 3 coming to the right. So, no need to add anything. Just the just round to this part. If we are giving minus value, you can give a negative value also. It looks to the right of the decimal place. The right to the decimal place 1 value. That means up to this. It is 2 coming to the right. So we don't need to add this. We are just rounding to 40. Otherwise it may be 50. So here if it is 2, because it is 2, it is 40. 76340 is the answer. Then in this case it is minus 2. Minus 2 means 2 decimal places. That means up to this. So here 4 is coming. So we are rounding to 76300 is the answer. Now minus 3. Minus 3 means 3 decimal places. That means thousands place. So it is 3. No need to add anything. The answer is 76000. Here it is minus 4. 10,000s place. When we look at the 1000 place, you can see a 6 there. So 1 need to be added up to 7. So the answer is 80,000. Now let's see, just go through this sample examples. It is minus 2. That means up to this, because this is 6. 1 need to be added up. Minus 1, that means this, because it's 6, it is 80. Then this is without any number, so just cut that 1276. Let's look at another function similar to this round function, that is truncate function. The difference is we just not need to add 1 to the number if it is above 5, just chop off the digits from the number. Let's see the examples. Truncate 76342.563, second argument is missing, that means 0. I don't want any decimal points. So the answer is 76342. In this 1.43, 0. I don't want any decimal points. That's all. Then next, this number, comma 1. That means I want 1 decimal places. If we are using rounding, it 1 need to be added up to this 5, and the answer is 0.6. But here we are just chopping off the digits. So the answer is 0.5. 76342.5. 5 only. Then comma 2. 2 decimal places. The answer is 0.56. Minus 1. We can give negative values also. Minus 1 means to the tens place. So it is 40. Then minus 2 means hundreds place. 44 only. So it is 300. Whatever it may be, truncating, just chopping of the digits. So minus 3 means thousands place. 76 is the answer. Minus 4 means it is 10,000 place. Earlier in rounding it was 80,000, but here it is 70,000 only. So just go through this sample examples also. Minus 2. Minus 2 means 2 decimal places. So normally if we are using rounding, 1 need to be added up to this. 1.11 maybe will be the answer. If because it is truncate, it is 4002.10 only. Now minus 1. Minus 1 means cut to this. If it was rounding, the answer will be 80, but here it is 70 only. Now without decimal places, we are just cutting off. So this is how the truncate works. So we have seen the numeric single row functions. In the coming videos, we will discuss the string and date and time functions also. So that's all. Thank you.